up, people? Welcome back to another video. And today, since I live in Japan, it's probably the 4th of July for me. So today, in honor of 4th of July, we're gonna play Fireworks Playground. No. How do I buy a firework? Fireworks. No. Wow. I don't know works. This one, or this one. We'll do the skibbity takeoff. Places. I'm gonna do fireworks playground. I demand a refund. Okay, I guess I'm starting with 0. Buy any equipment item. I got scammed. Oh, I can't show the skibbity. Okay, let me light it. Okay, blah blah blah. I know how it works now. Look at that! Oh. 4th of July! America! Don't do it. Oh. Nothing's gonna happen. Not even. Oh my god, you're so dumb, bro. What the heck? We'll put it off. Hip hip hooray! Call it. That's because it I'm gonna ruin it. Put your hands up! Hell no, bro. Oh man. Alright, let's put down these. Bro, we'll place down that TNT. I will shoot them. I will shoot them for attempted murder. Light fire. I do because I went to the police station. Bro! Hip hip! Hooray! I'ma just skip to the okay, maybe. Okay. I wanna get on! I pick up! I died. Pick up. Wee hey! Whoa! I don't want any. Who did that? Let's try to get a mortar. Alright, let's search for a mortar. I think that's how you spell mortar. Giga mortar. I'm level 0. I have $65,000. Should I? Should I buy this? No, I'm not going to. I'm gonna buy nukes. Let's try it. What could go wrong? What do you mean I can't place it? Alright, let's see. Alright. Alright, let's see. Whoa. Bro. That looks like a that looks like a black hole. Alright. He's gonna go to heaven. Woo! I don't know how to control me. Shh, guys. A missile. It's a firework. Whoa. Where's that? I'm gonna crash into that. What go wrong? Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, why did I have to do it right in front of the... Alright. Nothing, he didn't rev though. Bro. Wait. Look, that was so cool. Woo! See how I get. Can I die on a Michael rocket? Right. I'm too lazy. Look at me, bro. Why do I see a chest? What is this? Ooh! 123! Dang. That's a lot for one measly little chest. Should I do it from over there? I don't know how to swim, guys. I don't know how to swim. Chase it on the case. Hold on, let me get a boat real quick. Let me get the boat. I'm gonna get the boat. Barge. Select. Okay. Oh no, I can just go over there. That's a barge, right? Teleport. Oh. Spawn. Aw. Firework cruisers. I'ma do it! This hits my bank account, guys. Like and subscribe for that. No. I bought it for Robux. What do you mean rent it? What can go wrong? Nothing go wrong. Let's take to the sky! Yay! target. Oh, that works. Target. Oh, why is my target? But oh, I'll go back. Hold on, can I get a? I have a question. See that? Oh, I spawned here. Okay. Invite someone. And I'm gonna invite no one. Oh, I could just buy it from here. That's cool. Alright, 100. I'm not gonna get any fireworks. I'm gonna get equipment. Should I get this? I'm gonna get it. Equip. We don't need two fireworks, so I can make a fireworks show. Alright, hold on. Link. See. Whoa. You can't die. Alright, I'm gonna beat this spot. I'm gonna try to get every single and I can take a lot of them. Alright, I think I accidentally pressed it, so this is so cool. Oh. What can I buy for $100,000? Dop dynamite. Screamer 100. Ooh, should I get a circus? There, I have enough now. E-box. Alright, let's try a banshee box. Oh, banshee. Nimajiki. Oh my god, that takes so long. Hold on, I'ma make like I'm gonna make a line for me. And then if I need to wait for the banshee box. Who likes Trump? Who likes the president? No! No! That's gonna ruin it. I don't care. Link. Oh. Oh, link. Alright, let's see. 3. Oh, look at this. It's so beautiful. Wait a minute. forgot about to link that. Da 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 circus da da. Oh no! Oh my God! I. Guys, I'm gonna place all of these down, all of the torpedo thingies, and I'm gonna link them. Alright, 3 more guys. Okay, I knocked that down. That's on fireworks. I need 1 more firework. Well, I need 1 more torpedo. Box. This thingy. That thingy. Speed. 60 rockets and 5 Ah! Get more than 15, so I'm gonna pick this one. That looks so cool. Ooh, I died. Come on. I invited everyone. Hold on. I can invite him. I invited everyone now. Hip hip hooray! Wah! I think that's the end of the video. If you guys want to see more 4th of July, if you guys want to see more 4th of July thing, you want to have more videos, subscribe button to get notified, and it's just one simple button. Same for the like and the subscribe button. I don't want to, but that would really help. My goal right now is like 500 subs so I could get monetized. Thank you and have a nice day. Search for more.